My name is Tech Savvy, and the last video I uploaded, I forgot to show you guys how to install all the apps needed to bypass your iCloud locked slash baseband locked iPhone. But there's three apps that you're going to need. It is Hacktivator, 3utils, and iTunes. iTunes is for 3utils. 3utils is for Hacktivator to recognize the device. So when you type up Hacktivator, it'll be in the description of this video or and the video before this. I can't post proper links to send you to the proper websites because I've not got a verified account. So you're gonna need to copy the start of the URL, the end of the URL, and paste it in there, and it should be perfectly fine to do whatever. But you press downloads, accept the terms of service, whatever. Windows downloads. You let that download. It shouldn't take that long. I've already downloaded this, but it is what it is. You open that, and then you unzip it. You press Hacktivator Setup. I don't know if you're able to. You should be able to just do both of them. Be perfectly fine. And then you'll go through all of it, and then I'll just show you how it's done. Say blah blah blah. You'll need to turn off your antivirus. So I've got it already downloaded, so I can't really do anything. But I'll put you through this install page. Then you get 3utils. You download that. I'll send you to this website. You press Windows if you're on Windows, and it'll download it. I've already got it downloaded, so I'm not sure if it'll. Oh yeah, well, press install. Blah 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 blah. And then launch. As you can see, the iPhone is jailbroken, yes, because it's been bypassed. Activated, yes. It's had a serial number change, but that is what it is. And then iTunes, this is the complicated part. You type up iTunes, you press this, and you scroll down to Windows. Downloads iTunes for Windows, and then you'll do this, and then it'll set you for it. Don't know where that's going. I was going to cancel it because I've already got it installed. You see this, it's already installed. But for utils is working. Then you have Discord, the Discord server. Then I'll get a link for it. I've got a link in the description of the and blah 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 blah. If you just type that in here, it should come up with download accept server invite, and then you go in, you go through all that. You need to wait 10 minutes which kind of sucks. You need to wait 10 minutes before you can register the device. That's what happened with me. I had to wait 10 minutes before I could even type anything. It's a pain in the arse, but yeah. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, whatever. And I'll see you guys in the next one.